Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the posts and shells stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, the front post double crochet stitch, and the back post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains of the multiple of 6 plus 4. I have already made 28 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make 2 double crochet into the 7th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's my first double crochet. And my second double crochet. Now make 1 chain. Then you're going to make 2 double crochet into that same chain with those double crochets you just made. So that's 1 and 2. So all together we have 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, all in that same chain. You're now going to skip 2 chains. Into the next one, make 1 double crochet. Skip 2 chains. Into the next chain, you're going to make this little shell again of 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet. So skip 2, 2 double crochet into that next chain. Chain 1, 2 double crochet into that same chain. Skip 2 chains. Into the next one, make a single double crochet. Skip 2 chains. Into that next one, you're going to make the 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet into that same chain. Skip 2 chains. Into the next one, make a single double crochet. Skip 2 chains. Into the next one, we're going to make those 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet into that same chain. We have reached the last 3 chains of our row. So you're going to skip 2, and into the last one you're just going to make a single double crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. We're going to be working into this previous shell of 2 chain 1 and 2 double crochet. You're going to be working into that chain 1 space, making 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet into that same space. Now we're going to skip to our previous single double crochet by itself, and you're going to make a back post double crochet around that previous single double crochet. Now you're going to skip to the next shell, and working in that previous chain 1 space, you're going to make 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Now we're going to skip to this next previous double crochet that's by itself, and we're going to work a back post double crochet around that one. Skip to the next shell, into that chain 1 space, work those 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet in that same space. Skip to our next previous single double crochet and make a back post double crochet around it. Into our last shell, we're going to work those 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet into that same previous chain 1 space. When you get to the end of your row, you can see there's some chains from your previous row. You're going to work a double crochet into the tops of those chains to complete your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. Into these previous 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet shells, we're going to be working that same thing. So you're never going to change that pattern when it comes to these shells. So into that previous chain 1 space, you're going to make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet into that same space. Now skipping over to this single back post double crochet from our last row, we're now going to make a front post double crochet over this one. Into the next shell, we're going to make 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet into that same space. We've come to our next back post double crochet from our last row. Work a front post double crochet around that one. Into our next shell, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet into that same space. We've come to our next previous back post double crochet from our last row. Work a front post double crochet around that one. Into our next shell, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet into that same space. When you reach the end of your row, you can see that there's some turning chains from our last row. Same thing, you're going to work a double crochet into the tops of those turning chains to complete your row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the post and shell stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.